Family Show! It's on!
Kids, be careful!
You can't catch me! I got you! My shark is awesome! Where's your shark? Where did it go? Let's split up and find it. I can't find it. My shark!
Timmy, what's wrong?
Daddy, Timmy's shark is missing.
Don't worry, it must be somewhere around here.
But we couldn't find it anywhere.
Did you check your room?
Our room!
Oh no! The toys are everywhere! I feel like I'm in the sea!
Yeah, Daddy. So we played pirates many times here. But where is my shark?
The pirate shark must be in the sea. Change into little officers and find the pirate shark.
Okay! Officer Mimi, Officer Timi, let's go! Shark, where are you? It's not here. Over there! It's a rocket!
Hey!
Oh, my shark! We found you! Hurry! There are so many toys. The shark keeps hiding among them, so we can't find it.
Whoa. Well, then, how about you put away all the toys first?
That's a good idea. The shark will have nowhere to hide.
Oh. There are so many toys. Which one should we put away first?
The shark likes to hide behind the big toys. Let's put away the big ones first.
Got it, officer.
This one. And this one. Look over there!
You found it! You always need to put your toys away, okay?
Okay, I will. Yay! The scary shark is coming. Run!
The scary shark is coming!
Meow.
Mimi, your room is so messy. Let's clean your room.
Okay.
Toys,
Over here.
crayons,
Over here.
where should we put your teddy?
In my toy box. Wow! Clean your room often and you'll find your things easily when you need them.